Hi. Here's a tutorial on how to use the pen tool in Adobe Illustrator CC. Open Adobe Illustrator CC and create a new document. Select the pen tool from the toolbar on the left side of the screen. Or press P on your keyboard. Click on the artboard to create a point. This point will be the starting point of the path. Click on another point to create a straight line between the 2 points. Continue clicking on points to create a path. You can create straight lines or curved lines by clicking and dragging the mouse. If you want to create a curved line, hold down the mouse button and drag it in the direction you want the curve to go. To close a path, click on the first point you created. This will create a closed shape. If you make a mistake while creating the path, you can use the undo function, Ctrl+Z on Windows or Command+Z on Mac, to undo your last action. To edit a path, select the path with the selection tool and click on the pen tool. This will reveal the path's anchor points. To move an anchor point, select the direct selection tool and click on it and drag it to a new position. To add an anchor point, select pen tool and click on the path where you want to add the anchor point. This will add a new anchor point to the path. To delete an anchor point, just click on any anchor point, it will delete the anchor point. Or, select the anchor point with the direct selection tool and press the delete key on your keyboard. To create a curve, select an anchor point with the direct selection tool and drag the handles that appear to adjust the curve. If you can't see the handle, simply click on Convert Anchor Point to Smooth, located on the upper right corner of the control bar. If you want to convert the smoothness to a corner, simply click on Convert Selected Anchor Points to Corner. This will remove the smoothness. You can also use the pen tool to create more complex shapes by creating multiple paths and combining them with the Shape Builder tool or the Pathfinder tool. Using the pen tool in Adobe Illustrator CC takes practice, but with these steps you can start creating precise shapes and paths for your designs. Remember to be patient and take your time while learning how to use the pen tool, and don't be afraid to experiment with different shapes and paths to create unique and creative designs.
Thanks for watching. Please click bell icon and subscribe the channel.